management with change of ownership.
Well, that's Dilip Piramal, a deal that got done. US tariffs are dealing a fresh blow to India's gems and jewellery sector, and diamond exporters are among the worst hit. Santiguru reports that as shipments drop and costs remain elevated, the industry is struggling to stay afloat. Take a look.
This is Surat in Gujarat, known as India's diamond hub. It is home to thousands of establishments like this one, which are engaged in sorting, cutting, polishing and exporting natural diamonds, in which India is a leading exporter. But this year, a lot of these establishments have shut shop completely or been forced to resort to fewer shifts. That's because the high tariffs imposed by the US, which is one of the top importers of Indian diamonds, has hurt diamond exporters hard. The Gems and Jewellery Export Promotion Council says overall gems and jewellery exports to the US have fallen by over 40% between April and September this year. Cut and polished diamonds, both natural and lab-grown, make up over half of these exports by value. These have fallen more than 53% this year, and exporters blame US tariffs for a lot of this. Not surprisingly, exporters are worried and frustrated.
मेरा मुनाफा जो कैलकुलेशन है वो पहले 1 मिलियन पे था। 1 मिलियन में मैं 3% एवरेज में मेरा प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेशन करता हूँ, तो मैक्सिमम 30,000 के $35,000 जैसा मेरा मुनाफा है। वो 5 लाख डॉलर हो गया तो मुनाफा आप हो गया। मेरे एक्सपेंस तो वही है, मेरी फैक्ट्री के एक्सपेंस, मेरे लाइट बिल, जो मेरा फिक्स पगार के मेरे वर्कर है, वो मेरा एक्सपेंस फिक्स है, लेकिन प्रॉफिट और मार्जिन मेरा कम हो गया एक्सपोर्ट कम होने के कारण।
The government says demand for Indian diamonds has grown in other key markets like UAE, Hong Kong and Europe, but exporters point out that this rise is mainly for lab-grown diamonds and not natural diamonds. They add that while this rise has helped offset cushion some of the blow, lab-grown diamonds come with inherent disadvantages. The processes are the same and the fixed costs are the same, but margins are wafer thin, barely touching 20%. Many say the low demand for natural diamonds has hurt revenues by up to 80%, threatening their survival.
सब लोग अभी सर्वाइव करने के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं, मगर दिख नहीं रहा है कि शॉर्ट टाइम में इसका कुछ सॉल्यूशन आएगा।
The problem is not restricted to diamond exporters in Surat.
Last year, before the tariff, the exports were around 40%, but after tariff, it's just gone to 20%. Margin is squeezed, and there is no work, so there is absolutely profit is not there only. So we are just paying the labor without work.
एक्सपोर्ट जहाँ तक सवाल है बिल्कुल ठंडा पड़ गया टैरिफ की वजह से। जहाँ कारखाने होते हैं वहाँ के कारीगर लोग भाग गए हैं, एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि भाई उनका कुछ काम नहीं है उनके पास। जो एक्सपोर्ट का असॉर्टमेंट का काम होता था वो काम बिल्कुल नहीं है।
Exporters say the pressure will ease rapidly if a trade deal with the US materializes and if the government takes more steps like a relief package for workers. With US market becoming more expensive and demand from the region dropping, Indian exporters have been actively looking at new geographies to offset losses. But players warn that unless demand revives or tariff relief comes through, Indian diamond exporters will continue to face a tough road ahead. In Mumbai, with camera person Ajay Dabholkar, this is Santya for CNBC TV 18.